Brush, who paints our way out of there. I don't see any sign of the Grump, Terry.
If we never see him again, it'll be too soon for me.
That's right, Pip. Grump has vanished into thin air.
Ha-ha! We passed him and they didn't see us. There's a clearing up ahead. Get down, Dragon. Land! Whoa! You didn't have to land so hard, you stupid dragon! Down, Dragon, here they come! This time we get them from ambush. They're getting closer. Quiet. Quit your sniveling and get down. This time we got them.
It's the Grump! We'll head into those trees.
They're trying to lose us in the woods. After them! Get going, Dingo! Go!
Here comes a Grump, Terry.
Don't worry, Princess. Hang on!
Down, Dragon, under those trees! Ow! Ooh! Ooh! Ow! Yo! Ow! Ouch! Hey, Dragon. You no good dimwit lizard! Get me off of here! And that goes for you, too. You feather-brained nincompoop.
Looks like we left the Grump behind us for a while.
I sure wish he'd stay there.
What is it, Pip? Terry, look at the trees. They're different from anything I've ever seen.
That's right. Boy, they sure are strange looking. Listen, it sounds like someone building something.
What a racket. It's coming from that direction.
Let's take a look. Golly, I was right. They are builders.
What are they building?
What? What? Can't you see we're Toolie birds? What does it matter what we're building? Who cares? It's better this way.
Did you say better?
Naturally. It's such a nice surprise to see what it is when we finish.
Oh, sure.
Of course. I'm sure it will be a lovely surprise.
Oh, yes, it certainly will. We hope you can stay for it.
Love to have you. Pull up a chair. Have a seat. Be our guest. Join the party.
Gosh, thanks. We'd like to stick around, but we can't.
The Grump is chasing us. I'm sure he'll be along any minute.
Gee, that's too bad.
All right, you tree-bumping beanhead. You're through. You're getting too old for this business. I don't need you anymore, 'cause I got me a pair of magic boots with wings. Yeah, I figured I'd be needing them sooner or later. Now's the time. Now you're gonna see some real flying. It just takes willpower. Contact, left wing, right wing. Now, magic boots, do your stuff, and away we go! Well, so much for the warm-up.
You see, this fellow Grump is trying to keep us from finding the cave of the Whispering Orchids.
That's where he hid the crystal key. And we must find the key to save my country from the curse of gloom.
And somehow get me back home. That is, of course, if the Grump doesn't catch us first.
Well, I'm sure the crystal key is not around here. But we can help you fix that Grump person.
You can? Oh, thank you. That would be a great help.
Snap to it, Toolies.
What's that?
It's a Grump Walloper. Wallop him with it.
No thanks. I think we better get going before Grump gets here.
Gee, that's too bad.
Where's Bip?
Bip? Now where'd he go?
Terry, look! Up there!
Bip! Be careful! Come on, Bip! Hurry!
Grump must be up to something or he'd be here already.
Okay, Magic Boots, now. Whee! I can fly! You stupid shoes. Permanent quick-drying glue. This'll keep them on. Left wing. Right wing. Take off! I fly!
Look, up there!
It's Grump!
Flying without his dragon!
Uh-oh. Now you'll never be able to get away from him. Unless we help you.
Aha! There they are! Now I got them.
Drive that way. Yep, we'll head off the Grump.
Here comes the Grump!
And Terry, look! The Toolies are building a giant flagpole or something.
And right in the Grump's way, too!
Whoa! Shoot! Stop! Whoa!
They've done it! The Toolie birds have stopped him.
Golly, I hope so!
You turkeys can't coop me up. I can fly.
Terry, the Grump has escaped the Toolie trap. Better inflate the balloon.
No time! We better make a run for it!
Come on, Boots. Let's get them.
Faster! We must get ahead of the Grump.
Why, you...
The Toolie birds are coming.
Follow us.
Now they went into that tunnel. Ha! Now I could fly through the eye of a needle.
That didn't stop him, Terry. Here comes the Grump again.
I think we can get more speed on those railroad tracks.
I hope so. He's gaining on us.
Toolie Bird's slowed him down a bit.
But not enough. Here he comes again.
Now I'm really getting mad.
Look ahead, Princess! Our Toolie friends are building another Grump stopper.
Wow, I hope it works.
Oh, no!
Well, that ought to take care of the Grump for a while.
I hope so. At least time enough to inflate our balloon.
Right. Here goes.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, Toolie birds, for everything.
You're the greatest builders ever.
You no good flip-flopping feather-brained shoes. It's all your fault. Look, Dragon, pal, buddy, friend. I'm sorry I told y'all. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I wouldn't give you up for a pair of stupid boots.
Well, I guess we lost old Grump back there.
Oh, no, Terry! Here he comes!
Faster, Dragon, faster! Don't let him get away! Dragon, come back here, you ding-dang-ding-a-ling! You dumb dragon! You stupid knucklehead nitwit! Come back!
Now I know we don't have to worry about Grump anymore.
For a little while, at least.